Award-winning actress Natalie Portman's new film, May-December, made its highly anticipated debut at the 6th edition of the New York Film Festival. Despite a torrential rainstorm that drenched the city, the show went on as planned, demonstrating the resilience of the festival organizers and attendees. December is a captivating drama that explores complex themes surrounding relationships and age differences. Portman delivers a stellar performance alongside her co-star, whose identity has not yet been revealed. The film delves into the challenges and nuances of a May-December romance, exploring the depths of emotions and societal perceptions that surround such relationships. The New York Film Festival, known for its commitment to showcasing groundbreaking films, embraced the opportunity to open with May-December despite the inclement weather. The decision to proceed as planned demonstrated the festival's dedication to supporting the arts and providing a platform for important cinematic works. As attendees flocked to the festival, they were met with flooded streets and subways due to the heavy rain. However, the determination of both the festival organizers and film enthusiasts prevailed as they navigated the challenging weather conditions to witness the premiere of May-December. The atmosphere inside the theaters was charged with anticipation and excitement as viewers braced themselves for an unforgettable cinematic experience. The film itself has garnered substantial buzz leading up to its premiere, with critics praising the outstanding performances of the cast and applauding the film's Thought-provoking storylines. May-December promises to challenge conventional notions of love and relationships, shedding light on the complexities of navigating age disparities in modern society. By choosing May-December as the opening film, the New York Film Festival aims to spark meaningful conversations surrounding age gaps in relationships and societal expectations. The festival's decision to embrace this thought-provoking narrative speaks to its commitment to presenting diverse and groundbreaking films that push boundaries and initiate dialogues on important issues. As the 6th edition of the New York Film Festival commences, May-December sets the stage for an exciting lineup of films that promise to captivate audiences and push the boundaries of storytelling. Despite the challenges posed by the rainstorm, the festival's commitment to celebrating cinematic excellence remains unwavering, ensuring that attendees will have a memorable and enriching experience.